Hey, Papa Bear. Does my hair ever get wrapped around your wedding tackle?
Hmm?
Your meat and two veg. Your bits. The boys, you junk. Does my hair ever get wrapped around that stuff?
Oh, yeah, that's my fishing line for catfishing.
Oh, that is disgusting. Are you serious?
Well, yeah.
Oh, come on. Well, there you have it. Yeah, it happens, and I may never go catfishing again. Is that what that braided line is?
Nothing better.
Oh God. Wait, you use the hair that gets stuck around your junk and in your crack the hair from my head as fishing line.
Better taste than the water.
Oh my God, I'm done. Nope, I'm out. I'm going to bed.